is for apple, juicy and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on the street. C is for cat with a purse so fine. D is for dog who's a friend of mine. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hat that you wear on your seat. I is for igloo made of snow. J is for jelly, wobbly show. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, who loves to swing. N is for nest, where the birds sing. O is for octopus, with arms 8. P is for penguin, who waddles great. Q is for queen, with a crown so grand. R is for rabbit, who hops on land. S is for sun, that shines so bright. T is for turtle, slow but right. U is for umbrella, for rainy days. V is for violin, that sweetly plays. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, with notes so true. Y is for yak, with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, tracks everywhere. Now we've sung our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?